Let's start our macaroni salad. And then to that we'll add 3 chopped stalks of celery and 1 small onion. Oh, and don't drop anything on the floor. Melissa just did. And if you don't have a small onion, you can always use some green onions from the garden. 3 green onions from the garden is the same amount. Next we have 4 boiled eggs. And we will dice them in. I don't know why I seem like I always pick up the biggest knife in the house. Okay, now we'll go on to okay, this is 2 cups of mayonnaise. Fourth of a cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of relish, sweet pickle relish. Mine just happens to be homemade, but any kind works. And if you don't have this, you can also substitute a finely chopped sweet pickle. I'm all about using substitutions if I don't have it. Who likes to run to the store? And 2 teaspoons of either apple cider or white vinegar. You can add 3 tablespoons of mustard, but I am allergic to mustard, so I will not be putting it in mine. So you can add, and you can add 3/4 teaspoon of celery seed, but I really don't like it, so I'm not going to add that either. So that's optional. If you want those in yours, go for it. You can also add a chopped bell pepper. I have a friend of mine that in tomato season, she will add a 1 tomato into her macaroni salad. And this is one of those, you do you and how you want yours. I also have a friend that puts a jalapeno pepper in hers. But that's not me. That's the fun thing about cooking. You do you. and what you and your family likes. If there's something they don't like, or in my case, that they're allergic to, it's okay to leave it out. Then you just mix it in. Oops. I always need sideboards when I do this recipe. If anybody has big bowls that they really love, and they have a link to them that has lids, please put it in the comments. I know I have cooking sisters on here. If you have, seems like my bowls are never big enough, and I could use some more. So if anybody has recommendations for those, I need them. I'm calling on all my cooking sisters.